for temporary car insurance.
First game, Bayern need him firing at his best now. First game is available again, also among 2011 and 2022 when Kane trying to sneak in for an early opportunity here. Back heel. It's a promising start this.
Here's the block. Oh, he just has his...
Recognise that
163rd appearance in the Champions League tonight.
Really interesting looking mid.
Just a tug on the shirt there.
A shout for a penalty. For a corner's taken. He's headed away.
All right at the end of the game last week.
Anolu's there. Nearly run.
With a great little touch on the halfway line.
In towards Muller.
Is dealt with by Cherby. Last evening, just how these matches can violently swing back. Almost found himself free. Dyer's moved towards the near post here. It's headed away.
yeah, just caught DeMarco.
Leaping round the corner and testing the pace of Stanisic. Thuram waiting in the centre. DeMarco looking for options.
He's been put in the team. They just need something a little bit different to get a couple of these sort of half chances.
As way, Barella has escaped as a result. Thuram is coming in, trying to win a high ball. Lost his coordinates, but still managed to... Barella sent that long. Give a non-contested drop ball. Fourth official just to get Harry Kane. Pavard gets the initial header. Sane gets away from Thuram, and the players is comfortable in any situation. I mentioned that sort of move.
The advantage going forward.
Again driving forward and unleashing a shot which... Daubing as the first. Here is Çalhanoğlu. 7 games.
In possession, into...
In towards a Cherby, and then Thuram got the final touch.
Just inches away.
Scott Martinez in the centre. It's aimed towards Martinez. Running at Mkhitaryan. Have started to concede more goals. To the back post and Sane. There's a bit of confusion between...
It's a good little touch in the first instance.
We're in a dangerous area. And Bastoni's going on.
An error from Lima. Bastoni, how many times have this...
Here's the ball into the near. Thuram trying to get away from Kier.
He always looks right on the edge of anything that he can do.
Kimmich. Stanisic has got an issue here. Çalhanoğlu sizing one up. Like in terms of its elegance, it's what it looks like on the score.
Into Çalhanoğlu, not probably expecting that, but still.
And Sane can't sort his feet out, and that's a lovely turn.
They're so quick, they just commit themselves, throw the bodies in.
Elise under pressure.
Really giving Elise any sort of time on the ball for the moment.
Kimmich has missed by Sommer. Oh, Kane is a good one. Kane is up there, might come through to Sane.
Up the pitch. Sane, that would have had to be...
Muller has just peeled off to the far side. Floating that one in towards Kane. It's a bit high for him. Wing takes it away once again. Kimmich gets it under control.
To Kane, it just caught.
Martinez.
I mean, the issue Bayern have is when...
Touchline. Champions League. Sets it back for Barella. Barella to DeMarco. Back round.
Just make sure he stood in the way.
The aggressors at the moment. TNT Sports to 70727 to donate. Back to Elise again. Wider to Kimmich. And that is the end of the first 45 minutes. And Simone inside.
Comfortable at times of just...
To Joshua Kimmich, unleashing one. Marco, and it's in towards that near post, and Ervik had to be...
You know, we talked about the chances of ball in the back of the net where you think, well, he's not quite on top.
Pavard might have been in opposition, he's given it back to Bayern anyway. The better of Eric Dyer by hook or by crook, and now he's firing.
It is a bit mad that Eric Dyer...
Sure. And they have struggled defensively in the absence of this side that Bayern Munich are dealing with.
Ram finds his own little bit of space, but Ervik has been eager. Yeah.
Declined any invitation to give a penalty.
Now Lima did, and just... Looks, and they just haven't managed to get over the line. Bayern. Harry Kane, and he found that. Harry Kane, and he found that.
This is Zane.
Tell you what, I'll just find a bit of space. DiMarco, not thorough enough.
And a man who should never be doubted in front of... leg of this particular time when he hit
that side.
Nick spotted that.
Gerrard. Terrific reaction.
What a season he is. They believe that they can achieve something special if they can squid. Mkhitaryan wins the second ball. Dyer's got to be careful here.
The fact if they can put pressure on the two centre-backs.
Away by Dyer. And it's out. 1 on the night, 3-2 on aggregate. 1 on the night, 3-2 on aggregate. He becomes the first Inter player to...
He got the header on it. Kimmich couldn't get the ball away.
Müller. 0-0. That's on 2, on 3. Eintracht Frankfurt. Just gives them a little scored at the weekend after coming off the bench.
Le corner pour cette rencontre. Et l'Inter. Le corner. Le corner.
It's ebbed and flowed again tonight.
5 minutes to go here. From midday on Saturday, TNT Sports 1 to win. Played 49 games this. Booked without even being on the pitch. Nick need a miracle to save.
Looked out. The Inter.
Stanisic's header. Bayern charging forward. Gnabry.
Again.
Unlucky Allianz. Referee is allowed, but then trying to force the ball into again, and he keeps tabs on him, but he moves into that space.
Haven't suffered the same sort of injuries that have really...
Well, I told you that, you know... It's deflected behind, I think Sommer got the last touch.
Yeah,
for the Pavard goal! For the Pavard goal! Had the opportunity.
Against these Inter defenders.
A goal now will take it through to extra time.
He's absolutely run himself into
This tie back in the Allianz, which feels a long time ago now.
Can you give me